Hello, this is Justin from Comp Intelligence. I'm just going to walk you through a quick demonstration of our option exchange website. First, let's log in. And once we get to the home screen here, we have a few options. We've got the home link, we've got a stock option exchange link, which will take us to the actual exchanging and making the elections. You've got a welcome paragraph, which is completely customizable, the details of the exchange as far as when it's opening and when it's closing. And then you've got a learn more section where the employee can view any number of documents which you may post to the site, which are linked PDF documents. I'll click on one here for the offer to exchange, where you can see it will load the offer to exchange in a PDF viewer for the employee to then read, download, print, whatever they want to do with that document. And that's the same for all of these different documents. The most common ones we're going to see are the offer to exchange, an presentation, or in this case, it's a PowerPoint presentation about the exchange and why they're going to be doing it, and then an FAQ document. Those are the most common ones that we see. And then the next section is making my election, which we'll go through in a moment. And then the last section is need help, for them to be able to contact your stock plan administrator, or if you're using Comp Intelligence for employee support, it would have our contact information on there as well. So back to make my election. This particular individual has three different grants that they have that are eligible to exchange. You can see at the top, it will give you an intro paragraph with whatever verbiage, legal verbiage that you want to have in here, and then a link back to those documents once again. Once I'm looking at my eligible grants, I can see the various information that's on here, the key pieces of information: option number, grant date, grant type, exercise price, the number of options, eligible exchange ratio, and then the new resulting RSUs in this case, and then a yes or no for each one. These fields are customizable. There are some limits on the amount we can go, just width of the screen wise, but we can change the verbiage in them and change the data points, whatever makes most sense for you and your exchange. So let me make my elections here for each one of these. I'll say yes, no, yes. I'm going to submit my elections. It's going to pop up a confirmation just to show that the elections have been recorded and that you did make the election. You can log back in and change your election before the end. If you have any questions, contact them. And there we go. So we have completed the exchange, and that is how you use the option exchange website.